Good afternoon, everybody. Please write down. Last class we discussed about joining processes. What all the types of joining process are available? Are joining by welding process, soldering process, brazing process, joining by adhesive gum, and joining by bolt and nuts, mechanical joining process, that is using fasteners. Now, the first joining process is soldering process. Soldering. The soldering process is carried out at 450 degree centigrade to 600 degree centigrade. Now, please write down the title: soldering. Soldering. Soldering is a method of joining similar or dissimilar thin metal pieces by the application of heat using a filler metal or alloy called solder, whose melting point is below 450 degrees centigrade, whose melting temperature is below 450 degrees centigrade. Full stop. The soldering process is carried out at the temperature 450 degree centigrade to 900 degrees centigrade. to 900 degrees centigrade. Full stop. Next paragraph, right now. The soldering process is used for thin metal joints. Underline the words thin metal joints. Full stop. The filler metals are made of alloys of lead and tin. All of you stop writing and listen here. Say, all of you seen, you might have gone to the TV repair shop, DVD repair shop, or any TV repair shop. There will be a PCB board, printed circuit board. There you have transistors, capacitors, transformers, and other ICs, integrated circuits. How do you connect? So usually they connect by using printed circuit. Remember, the electronic components are connected by printed circuit, PCB, printed circuit board. In that they place the IC, capacitors, transistors, transformers and other thing, and the ends and the leads are joined through the printed circuit by using the filler metal. Solder is made of lead and tin, and one more thing, they use the a rod or gun shaped heating element. It is called soldering iron. It is called soldering gun or soldering iron. It is called, all of you write down please, soldering gun or soldering iron. Particularly soldering process is used for small metal components, thin metal pieces, electronic
ಸರ್
components.
ಅಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಿದಾರೆ.
ಸರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಬೇಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಹಾಕೇಳ. Okay, still anybody is waiting? Please join fast.
ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Those who are joined late, please write down the title soldering. Last class we discussed about the joining processes. The joining processes are classified into soldering, brazing, welding, using adhesive material, gum, and mechanical fastening process. These are our joining processes. In that first one, soldering. Those who are joined late, please write down soldering. Underline that and write down soldering is a method of joining similar or dissimilar thin metal pieces by the application of heat using filler metal or alloy called as solder, whose melting point or melting temperature is below 450 degrees centigrade. 450 degree centigrade. Full stop. Next paragraph, write down. The soldering process is carried out at the temperature 450 to 900 degree centigrade. 900 degree centigrade. full stop. The filler metal used are essentially of alloys of lead and tin. You might have seen in the TV repair shop or DVD repair shop, they use a small coil of wire that is made of lead and tin whose melting temperature is less than 450 degrees centigrade, and soldering iron or soldering gun used for melting the solder and also heating the ends of the components to be soldered. Ends of the components to be soldered. So this is the definition of soldering process. Next, come to the point. Almost all of you gone to the TV repair shop or the DVD repair shop and some of the sophisticated components, mobile repair shop, there they use low temperature joining process is called soldering. Now you write down classification of soldering. Underline that the soldering process is classified into two. Number one, soft soldering. In bracket write down 150 degree to 450 degree centigrade. Number 2, hard soldering. In bracket write down 600 to 900 degrees centigrade. First you write down soft soldering. Write down soft soldering is employed for joining of wires, small electronic components, in bracket write down resistor, capacitor, ICs integrated circuits, transformer, etc. Close the bracket. The solder is made of, or solder is composed of lead and tin. The range of melting point of solder lies between 150 degrees centigrade to 350 degrees centigrade, and full stop. All of you seen while joining of electronic components like resistor, they touch the gum like a material that is in the small tin container, snuff color or brown color paste. They touch the brown color paste or the gum type of material or grease type of material. That is nothing but the flux. The flux is used for cleaning the end and as well as make the strong joint, and also it will not allow the ends joint for oxidation. 350 degrees centigrade. After that, put a full stop, write down zinc chloride and ammonium chloride.
ಸರ್
ಹೇಳು.
ಸರ್ ಅದು 350ನಾ 450ನಾ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ 450 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್
350 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಅದನ್ನ 450 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹಾ, ಸಾಲ್ಡರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಲ್ಡರ್ ಲೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟಿನ್, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 150 to 350 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ಡರಿಂಗ್ ಗನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಅದ್ರ ಎಂಡಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಅದೇ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೆಲ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ 150 to 350 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಗಮ್ ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ಶೂ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ಡರ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹತ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ನ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಕ್ಸ್. Zinc chloride and ammonium chloride are used as flux. And resin is also used as flux. RESIN, resin. And write down the soft soldering is used for joining of electronic components such as resistor, capacitor, transformer, ICs to the PCB, printed circuit board. Comma, joining of thin metal sheets, comma, joining of electrical components. So these three are application of soft soldering joining process. Full stop. After joining the components by soldering process, comma, leave the joint in open air for drying. Full stop. After soldering process. After the soldering process, joints are cleaned by solvent or alcohol. Solvent or alcohol. Full stop. Next, write down hard soldering. Hard soldering. Underline that. In bracket, write down 600 to 900 degrees centigrade. Hard soldering. Underline that. In bracket, write down 600 to 900 degrees centigrade. Write down few points. Hard soldering implies filler metal or solder. The melting temperature of solder lies between 600 degree centigrade to 900 degree centigrade. Underline the temperature range. The filler metal set 600 to 900 degrees centigrade. The solder gun which used for soft soldering, the same type of bigger soldering gun or soldering iron used for joining of metals in hard soldering in big size, 600 degrees centigrade to 9 degrees centigrade. And the filler metal or solder is composed of copper and zinc. Underline the words copper and zinc in the ratio of 4:1. 4:1. That is, if you have the 10 grams of filler metal used in hot soldering, which contains 4 grams of copper and 1 gram of zinc. And sometimes they add silver or tin and antimony to improve the quality of the joint. Usually, a small amount of silver or tin and antimony, underline the words silver, tin, antimony, are frequently added to improve the quality of the joint. Improve the quality. Full stop. It is then called as silver solder. Full stop. German silver, used as a hard solder for steel components. Hard solder for joining of steel components. Which contain copper, zinc, and nickel. Full stop. The fluxes for hard soldering, available in the paste form, usually made of zinc chloride or ammonium chloride. Full stop. Hard soldering produces strong joints. Example. Next line, write down example. Automobile radiator, comma, heavy stainless steel joining, sheet joining, comma, plumbing, comma, chemical industries, comma, heat exchangers, comma, air conditioning units, etc. Now all of you stop writing, listen carefully. Hard soldering process is carried out at the temperature range of 600 to 900 degrees centigrade, and which uses the filler metal that's called solder, which is made of copper and zinc in the ratio of 4:1. And sometimes the filler metal also contains silver and antimony. Then it is called silver solder. And you might have heard German silver. It looks like a silver, but it's not a pure silver. It is a German silver, which contains copper, zinc, and nickel. And one more thing, the hard soldering process is particularly used for repairing of radiator in automobiles. All of you seen in car, lorry, truck, and other automobiles in the front, you have a radiator. So what is the function of radiator? See, usually the water is circulated in through the engine. So that water gets heated because of heating of the burning of the fuel. That water should be cooled. So by passing the hot water inside the radiator, which cools down the hot water into cold water, then again which is circulated in the radiator. And plumbing in chemical industries, the pipes are made of copper or copper alloy. So there also they use hard soldering process. And also you might have seen the stainless steel sheets used in operation theater and surgical equipments, that's also joined by using hard soldering process. So these are the few applications of hard soldering. Next, write down very, very important method of soldering. Underline that. Method of soldering. Almost all the question paper, you have a question. You have this question. Please, all of you write down method of soldering. Number one, shaping and fitting of metal parts together. Shaping and fitting of metal parts together. See, the where you need the joint should be cleaned with the file or knife or blade. Clean the surface of the joint by using blade, file, and sometimes clean the ends with the alcohol or any other solvent. Next, that is the cleaning surfaces. Clean the surface of the joint where you require the joint. That surface should be cleaned. There should not be any dust, dirt, oil, grease that should not present on the joint. If these things are present, you will not get strong joint. For that reason, the cleaning of the surface is very, very important. As I told you, the flux, application of flux, a gum type of or paste form of is added to the ends of the joint, ends of the components. Otherwise, you will not get the strong joint or strong bond. So that is the application of flux to the end. See, these three shapes, shaping and fitting the metal parts together. The joint should be clean, joint should be sharpened, made the joint according to the requirement by using blade or using knife or using file. You can clean the joint, prepare the joint for joining process, and then clean the surface of the joint. Joint surface should be cleaned by using alcohol or solvent, and add the flux into the joint where you require the joint. The ends of the component should be dipped or pressed inside the paste form of flux. Next, come to the point, the tinning of the surface to be soldered. That is nothing but, all of you seen a soldering iron or the soldering gun which is used, which has a copper pit, that should be cleaned by using blade, file, or by using some other means. Clean the surface of the copper bit. That process is called tinning process. Tinning process. Then only dip that surface of the copper bit into the flux and also touch the filler metal. A droplet which is come to the tip of the copper bit, then apply the droplet of the filler metal into the joint. Next, that is the application of heat and solder. Then switch on the electric soldering gun. After few minutes, the tip is heated to the temperature of 200 to 400 degrees centigrade in case of soft soldering process. In case of hard soldering process, if you switch on the electric current, the tip of the soldering gun has the temperature of 450 degrees centigrade to 900 degrees centigrade. The temperature is maximum enough to heat the component end and also heat the soldering material or filler material, which makes the liquid solder or filler metal, which carries by the copper tip, and place the droplet on the joint, so that after few minutes that filler metal dries up and makes the strong joint. That is nothing but application of heat and solder. And finally, leave the joint in the open air for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So joint is solidified and the joint is ready for using. After cleaning the joint by using alcohol or any solvent, clean the surface of joint by using damp sponge, or also you can use damp sponge for cleaning of the surface of the joint. Surface of the joint. Now you write down one by one. Shaping and filling of metal parts together. Number 1. Number 2, cleaning of surfaces. Cleaning of surfaces. Write down. Number 3, application of flux. Application of flux. Number 4, tinning of the surfaces to be soldered. Tinning of the surfaces to be soldered. Next, number 5, application of heat and solder. Application of heat and solder. Next line write down. Number 6, final clean up. For cleaning process, you can use solvent, alcohol, steel wool, or steel brush, or damp sponge. Using all those things, you can clean the joint. And now write down the question. What is soldering? What is soldering? Put a question mark. What is soldering? Put a question mark. And explain briefly. Explain briefly methods of soldering. Explain briefly methods of soldering, question mark. Methods of soldering. See, for this question, first you write down definition of soldering process you have here, and write down the classification of soldering, soft soldering and hard soldering. Next, write down method of soldering. For this, you have 6 steps for soldering process you have to write in the examination. Mark it very, very important. You have this question in the examination. Mark it very, very important. Almost all the question paper, you have this question. Mark it very, very important. Mark it very, very important. You can expect this question in the examination. Next class, I will start next joining process, bracing. Now I stop at this stage. I will continue tomorrow. Now all of you, please write your name and USN in the chat box and answer or call.